Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapira and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Final hour of this radio show. Welcome back. Welcome to the third and final hour. Bilis, no? Final hour na. Malapit na matapos. I still feel we just started the program. Pero before we continue, before we go further, check out SM Supermall's Buy One, Take One Festival. Hey! Wow! Buy one na, take one pa. Double the joy, double the delight. With our Buy One Take One Festival, treat yourself and score some amazing Buy One Take One deals when you shop at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, April 26 to April 30. Ayan, per DTI permit number, per DTI Fair Trade permit number R3 ZAM 118 series of 2024. Ayan, commercial na commercial ang dating. Yeah, okay. So check it out. The Buy One Take One Festival, April 26 to 30 po yan, ha? Malapit na. Oo, starts today. Ilang days lang yan. So you guys better hurry up for the Buy One Take One Festival. Okay, and don't forget the culinary extravaganza. Huling weekend na. Okay, yung ating culinary extravaganza for this week starts today, April 26, 27, and 28. Yung culinary specials natin happening dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, ano? Yan. Ano nga ba yung para sa last week? Teka. Meron ako listahan. Teka lang, dyan lang kayo. Okay, malikot. Let me give it to you. Yan. Ang pinaka last natin sa ating weekend ng culinary festival is... Saan nilistahan ko? Ayun. April 26 to 28, Grand Filipino Fiesta. Ayan. Pasalamatan natin ulit yung mga sumali, ha? Subic Grand Harbor Hotel, 3 Points Bistro, Jerry's Grill, Tepan 101, Fusion Corner, Sexy Legs Chicken, Makimura Ramen Bar. Ayan. Japanese yan, Makimura. Alam niyo ba yung translation ng Makimura? Ha? Pag translate niyo yung Makimura, ano gusto niyo? English o Tagalog? O Tagalog muna. Makimura, ibig sabihin... English na lang, mas madali pag English eh. Come and join the sale. Makimura. Kasama yung Sands Resto Grill and the Clubhouse Restaurant. Salamat sa inyo yung mga sumali sa ating weekend culinary extravaganza Central Luzon, a celebration of Filipino foods. Foods, dalakang foods, sabi ni kay Bong Navarro. Sabi ni, ano yung pangalan nun? Si Miss Cornejo yun, yung apelido niya, Yeah. Okay. Uy, last chance na for the Sam's Pizza for this week pero babalik yan, don't worry. Babalik siya next week, Monday and Tuesday. Ewan ko lang kung Yeah, Monday and Tuesday, yes. 29 and 30. 30 na yung payday special. So right now, eto na. Let's do the radio contest. We need somebody to call and win. Call and win talaga, no? Ayan, tawag kayo. I'm gonna repeat the numbers for you. 0910-6909-501. Yan yung official text digits natin, ha? Okay? 0910-6909-501. Okay? If you call right now, I will answer the phone. Ayan, we have somebody calling. Ang bilis, ha? Okay, hello. Hello po. Medyo mahina yata. Teka, lakasan natin. Sandali, ha? Hello, caller! Hello, caller? Hello? Ayun, aha. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
I can also hear you. Yun. Good afternoon to you too. Pare ko, isasali ka sa ating radio contest, no? Ayun.
Yeah, sige.
Kaya pala hindi ka ganong marinig sa radyo. Meron akong hindi napindot. Ang syunga-syunga ko talaga. Oo, Friday na susyunga.
Ano ba yan?
Ay, ayan, dinig ka na ngayon, pare ko. Ayan. Meron alam mo naman, as you know, meron tayong radio contest from Sam's Pizza. Sa Sam's Pizza, may Sam's ka na, may pizza ka pa.
The only Sam's with pizza. Yeah.
Nadali mo. Sasali ka, pare ko. Sasali ka, no?
Sige.
Alright, pero una muna, I need to get your full name dahil alam mo naman yung pangalan mo ipapasa ko dun sa Sam's Pizza, pero pag nasagot mo ng tama yung mga katanungan, syempre. Can I get your name now?
Yeah, my name is Red F. Libahan. Yeah.
Red
full name.
Red
Yeah,
Libahan.
R-E-D-D.
Yun.
Yeah.
Okay. Red. That's a nice name, ha?
Alright.
Red. Can I call you Blue?
Yeah. No problem.
Red lang, red. Pare Koy, you know the details na, no? Okay, let me start asking the
Yeah.
questions muna, ha? Okay.
Okay.
What is the title, yung upcoming promo nila? Yung titulo.
Very easy. Sam's Pizza Payday Sale. Alright.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Oh nga, very easy nga, no? Payday sale.
Yeah.
Oh. Tapos kailan to?
Parang sa ano yan, April 30, 2024. Sa lahat ng branches natin, Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos.
And
Alright.
yes, you got it right. Question number 2. Tama-tama. Oo nga naman, April 30, payday special nga eh, no? 'Di ba? Parang kung payday special tapos April 29, parang tanga naman 'yun.
Oo naman.
Payday tapos 29. April 30 nga naman, no? Nga naman.
Oo nga.
Oh, can you give me a little bit of details na lang? Last na to para sa mechanics nila. Sige nga.
I'll get 2-in-1 flavor 12 family size pizza for only $299. Di nakasave ka ng regular price nila na $179.
Uy, sayang yung
Tapos
savings na yun, di ba?
O, di ba?
Mm.
Sayang din yun. Pang-hook din yun.
Yeah. Tapos may
Tapos
mix and match mo.
Oo. I-mix mo lang yung mix and match your flavors, no? May nila all-time favorite nila na Hawaiian o pepperoni.
Okay.
Oo, meron pa yung classic flavor, yung beef mushroom saka cheesy bacon mushroom.
All
Diba?
right, you got it right. You're the winner,
Oh,
pare Koy.
thank-
Oh, ganun lang yun.
Thank you.
Isang family size pizza yan, tapos yung flavor niya dalawa. Yung isa, all-time favorite, Hawaiian or pepperoni, pipili ka. Tapos yung isa naman, classic flavor, beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom. Kung ikaw yung pipili, pare Koy, ano yung pipiliin mo dun sa all-time favorite, Hawaiian o pepperoni?
Pepperoni. Tapos yung
Ay.
pangalawa, yung
Other half
cheesy
niya.
bacon mushroom.
Cheesy, sarap na kombinasyon, ano? Nakakagutom.
Sarap yan, no?
Yan. Anong pangalan ng aso natin na tahol ng tahol?
Ayan si si Shoko, makulit yan
Si
Shoko.
Chinichir ka yata, pare Koy. Parang sabi niya, go bossing, kaya mo yan.
Hingi daw ako ng sabaw eh. Sabi niya, libre sabaw ba yan? Shut
Oh.
up!
Okay, congratulations sa'yo, pare Koy. You're the winner. Congratulations. Ayan.
Thank you.
May mga gusto kang batiin dyan para labasan ng ligaya.
Sige.
Sige, batiin mo na.
Binabati ko yan ako si Athena Richin at saka yung apo ko si Sophia Blair. Ayan.
Okay. Parang hindi appropriate yung pagtatanong ko dahil family pala yung mga babatiin. Kung
Okay lang.
mga tropa
Okay lang.
kaibigan,
Sanay.
okay. Okay lang yun eh.
Mulat na sila sa ganyan.
Okay, anyways, congratulations for you, pare Koy. Traditional question, panghuli na. Sinong artista look-alike ni Red?
Si Johnny Depp, syempre.
Johnny Depp! Wow naman pare, ang gwapo nun. Ha? Pero kung ako si Johnny Depp, kahit papano nang hinayang pa rin ako kay Amber Heard, no?
Kabalikan na kami.
ang ganda kaya ni Amber, no?
Oo naman.
Oo,
Sobra na.
pwedeng pwede dun sa
Nakapanlambot lang.
pwedeng dun sa yung favorite site natin tapos pipindutin mo yung blonde category, blondes.
Basta sa kaya MILF.
Yun. MILF talaga. Okay, pare ko, congratulations. Thank you at ikaw yung tumawag dahil pinasaya mo lalo yung The Morning Brew Show. Congratulations sa'yo. Okay.
Thank you, pare, idol. Thank you.
Ang claiming doon na sa Sam's Pizza sa Magsaysay, April 30, just bring your ID.
Okay, no problem.
Pero warning ha, mahaba pila niyan panigurado.
Ano?
Warning mo.
Sige.
April 30, one day
Madaling araw
lang.
doon na ako.
Okay. Congratulations pare. All right.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
There you have it, people. Our winner, second winner na today, si Kuya Red. What's his last name? Red Libahan. There you go. Okay, ang saya. Saya kausap. So, I guess that's about it for me. And thank you for joining me, everyone. So, once again, don't forget, starts today the Buy One, Take One Festival. April 26 to 30 ito, no? So, April 26 ngayon, start ngayon. At all SM Supermalls. Okay? Buy One, Take One Festival. Okay. I'll be playing my final song now. Thank you so much for keeping me company, everyone. Maraming salamat. And here's my final song for you guys. All right. This is Damn Yankees from their 1990 album called Damn Yankees. Self-titled album. And this is their song, come again with this song. Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. You guys enjoy the rest of your Friday. Happy weekend, everybody. Bye for now. Bye-bye.